Hi, I'm Scott with Home Perfect Restoration. In this video, I want to talk about the process of the water mitigation services. So what will happen first is if you have a water damage, we'll come out, we'll assess the damage that's caused, and then we're going to set up necessary testing. So depending on the age of the home, there may be lead testing that's required. We will always have to do asbestos testing on any materials that could potentially contain asbestos. So that could be drywall, it could be mastics and floorings, any adhesives. And once we get those results back, and if it's clear, we're able to start what we call demo. So we always set up containments first and negative air. We do the necessary demo under containment, and then we go into a process that we call biowashing, which is essentially a very thorough cleaning process. Not a lot of companies do this, even though it is called out in the industry standards to be done. So in this process, we bring in a truck mounted system that we're doing low water flush or low pressure flushing of any contaminants out from under the sill plates, the framing, things that you're not going to be able to get access to. So all those areas that were cut out, they were cut out because there's contamination in that material and behind it. So now, before we set up any air movers, we come in, we do the low pressure flushing, we do the heavy, thorough cleaning. We confirm that cleaning was actually done correctly by doing bacterial testing. And once we have confirmation that everything is clean, now we can bring in our first air mover and start drying your home. It is a very thorough process and it's designed to make sure that you are taken care of. Again, there's a lot of companies that aren't going to be that thorough with the process. And a lot of times your insurance company may tell you that it's unnecessary. But we're happy to share the standards with anybody out there because, again, at the end of the day, we work for you and for your best interest to make sure that your family is going to be protected.